Which screw should I use? Here are some things to consider. The solution has been determined and you have a general plan of action in place, but what about the material? Fasteners may be at the top of your list of priorities, but which one is better? Determine what materials you want to screw in first. Make different types of screws to hold different materials in place. For example, the strongest wood screws are used to join two pieces of wood. Find the material and measure the thickness. You need a screw long enough to go through the material, at least halfway through the second one, to ensure a firm grip. Using different materials, from titanium to plastic, steel, fasteners can also be further reduced, depending on the grade to be made. Describe a special alloy mixture or a hardening process that can help you make an informed decision when choosing the right alloy fastener. This product offers a range of coatings or plating to improve the corrosion resistance of components, and different fasteners have different aesthetics. Strength, brittleness, corrosion resistance, galvanic coupling, corrosion characteristics, cost. If you change a fastener, it is best to match the part you want to replace. In some equipment designs, when the more expensive or critical parts are broken, their screws will fail, which is why you can't simply replace the bolt. That's because it breaks easily, so there's a good chance of failure. You must also consider the project environment. For example, salt water can cause galvanic corrosion, which means your fasteners are not as cost-effective as you originally thought and expected. How did you decide on the bolt grade and material in steel fasteners? Look for the manufacturer and head markings and logos. This will tell you the grade of bolt you are using, some of which are most often 3 radials, 6 radials, or even no markings at all. How to use screws and fasteners. Regardless of which fastener you use, the first step is usually to drill a slightly smaller threaded hole in the material, slightly smaller than the fastener you intend to use. Whether it's a nut or a bolt, drilling a hole before installing the fastener will give you a tighter joint. When using a threaded fastener, such as a screw, you need to make sure that you only drill the hole into the surface portion of the product so that its threads can be seated properly. Once you have drilled out of an open hole, you can go ahead and use the drill bit to secure the screw to the material, or you can remove the drill bit and use a hand screwdriver to complete the joint. When using nuts and bolts, you need to drill the material cleanly so that the bolt can go right through the material and then attach it to the nut on the other end. When you choose bolts for your application, it's important to predict how deep you will fasten the material, because you don't want to connect too short or too long with these bolts. Look for high-quality fastener manufacturer. Now that you have a thorough understanding of screws, it's time to find the perfect fastener manufacturer for your next projects. Are you ready to get the information for your next projects? Prince Fastener Fair. Look up the Prince Fastener options. We are proud of our ability to offer a wide range of screws in different materials and different types. These screws have specific specifications and come in a variety of coatings. We have a solution for when you are looking for something special for a particular job at hand. If we don't have the screw you need, we can help you find it. On top of our wide selection, when you choose Prince Fastener, you can find competitive pricing, fast shipping, and great customer service. Our company is committed to ensuring that you get what you want as soon as possible.